Assalamu alaikum friends, we are back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Xiaomi Mi Max 4. But before the start of the video, I request you please subscribe my this channel and press the bell icon and check out my other channel and my websites. Link are in the description. So let's start this video. Friends, Xiaomi is popular for releasing Mi Max series of the smartphones, and 4 is the now phone which they are going to launch in the second quarter of the year. An year ago, its previous model Mi Max 3 was launched in the July. This upcoming Xiaomi Mi Max 4 is expected to release at the same time of the year. According to the rumors, this device is coming with 7.2 inches large screen decorated with a notch design. Xiaomi's Mi Max 4 got a narrow chin that will provide an impressive narrow space on the screen used to accommodate the camera on the front side of the device. Xiaomi Mi Max 4 will be protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 panel on its front as well as on the back, which gives you feeling that you are holding solid device in your hands. Under the hood of Mi Max 4 by Xiaomi is running with Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset, and its 6GB RAM is powerful to control all your work smoothly. The phone will also come with 6GB variant, and Xiaomi Max 4 also got 128GB built-in storage, but this time this is not comfortable that which one we are getting in Pakistan or India. At the back side of camera, Mi Max 4 is featuring Samsung's ISOCELL's GMI 48 megapixel dual camera setup, which is an amazing camera capable to capture slow motion videos at 960 fps. As we already told you that the screen size of Mi Max 4 is bigger, so don't worry about it because it will have a huge battery of 5800 mAh with the 18-watt fast charging support. In other specifications of Mi Max 4, it has got lot of sensors, and among it fingerprint is on the top of the list. Xiaomi is popular for releasing Mi Max series of these smartphones, and 4 is the new smartphone which they are going to launch in the second quarter of the year.